Hello everyone. So we are going to start our third chapter, The Thrifty Tailor. So thrifty means a word. Thrifty means used for that person who never wastes anything and spend more their money carefully. So the thrifty tailor. So in a little village, there lived a tailor who was so poor that he did not have enough warm clothes for the winter. So he did not have any warm clothes. He worked hard making all kind of clothes for all kind of people, but never had enough money to buy the clothes he needed to make a coat for himself. He wanted to make a coat for himself. So bit by bit he saved and saved till at last he had enough money to buy cloth for a long warm coat. He cut the cloth carefully so as not to waste any of it, and he made a coat. He tried on the coat. It fits perfectly. He was so pleased with that coat that he wore it even when it was just a little bit cold. He wore it till it was all worn out. So worn out मतलब completely जब तक वो खराब नहीं हो जाता तब तक. So at least he thought it was all worn out, but then he looked and he saw that there was just enough left of that long warm coat to make a jacket. So he made a jacket from that. So he cut up the coat and stitched a jacket. He tried on the jacket. It fits just as well as the coat had, and he could wear it even more often. He did it. He wore it until it was worn out. So वो जब तक खराब नहीं हुआ तब तक उसने जैकेट पहना. At least he thought it was all worn out, but then he looked and he saw there was just enough left of that jacket to wear a vest. So jacket में से उसने vest बना दिया, कोटी जैसे बना दिया. So he cut up the jacket and made a vest. He tried it on and thought he looked quite smart in that vest. He wore it every day. He wore it till it was worn out. जब तक वो खराब नहीं हुआ तब तक उसने वेस्ट पहनते रहा. At least he thought it was all worn out, but then he looked and he saw there was a few good bits of cloth left, enough to make a hat. So उसमें से उसने hat बना दिया. So he cut them out and sewed them together and make a hat. He tried it on. He looked good in that hat. He wore it indoor and outdoor. He wore it until it was all worn out. जब तक वो भी खराब हुआ नहीं hat तब तक वो पहनता रहा. At least he thought it was all worn out, but then he looked and he saw there was still one tiny bit of good clothes left, enough to make a button. So उसमें से उसने बटन बना. It was good button. He wore it all the time until it was all worn out. So जब तक वो बटन भी ख़राब नहीं हुए तब तक उसने बटन भी बना दिए. So कोट मेड से उसने जैकेट बनाया, जैकेट में से वेस्ट बनाया, वेस्ट में से उसने हेड बनाया, हेड में से बटन बना दिए. At last he thought it was all worn out, but then he looked and he saw there was just enough left of that button to make a story. So उसमें से उसने story बना दिया. So he made a story and had it, and that is what you are just reading it. So वही है ये story जो हम लोग read कर रहे हैं. So hope you have understand this story, and please share this video. We will bring question answers in the second part. Keep subscribe my channel and please share this video to maximum friends and families. Thank you so much.